The morning journey carries on beneath the rising sun. From the Rivier de Maas, so wide the waters start to turn. Ahead the lock stands proud and still, built by human hands and skill. A gateway where the waters meet, where nature greets the built. Steel and stone can shape the flow, but time lets new life grow. Every current tells a tale, every breeze begins to sail. Gerelingsplas, forever changing, nature's colors rearranging. From the lock to quiet shores, life returns forevermore. Along the Rivier de Maas we fly, watching birds across the sky. Gerelingsplas, wild and free, a living masterpiece to see. Gerelingsplas, Gerelingsplas, Gerelingsplas. Nature returns. The drone glides slowly over the lock, where silent waters wait. Beyond the gates the shoreline bends to where the channels fade. Young trees rise where earth was bare, and reeds are dancing there. But once was shaped by working hands, now blooms across the land. Years of dredging left their mark, yet nature brought a spark. Patient seasons, rain and light turn the banks green and bright. Every sunrise, every year makes the future crystal clear. Gerelingsplas, forever changing, nature's colors rearranging. From the lock to quiet shores, life returns forevermore. Along the Rivier de Maas we fly, watching clouds across the sky. Gerelingsplas will always prove nature never stops to move. Gerelingsplas, Gerelingsplas, Gerelingsplas. Nature returns. The morning slowly fades away as sunlight fills the day. The lock still guides the waters through while nature paints anew. Gerelingsplas will always stand where water shapes the land. A place of peace, a place to see, forever growing naturally. Journey carries on beneath the rising sun. From the Rivier de Maas, so wide the waters start to turn. Ahead the lock stands proud and still, built by human hands and skill. A gateway where the waters meet, where nature greets the built. Steel and stone can shape the flow, but time lets new life grow. Every current tells a tale, every breeze begins to sail. Gerelingsplas, forever changing, nature's colors rearranging. From the lock to quiet shores, life returns forevermore. Along the Rivier de Maas we fly, watching birds across the sky. Gerelingsplas, wild and free, a living masterpiece to see. Gerelingsplas, Gerelingsplas, Gerelingsplas. Nature returns. The drone glides slowly over the lock, where silent waters wait. Beyond the gates the shoreline bends to where the channels fade. Young trees rise where earth was bare, and once was shaped by working hands, now blooms across the land. Years of dredging left their mark, yet nature brought a spark. Patient seasons, rain and light turn the banks green and bright. Every sunrise, every year makes the future crystal clear. Gerelingsplas, forever changing, nature's colors rearranging. From the loch to quiet shores, life returns forevermore. Along the Rivier de Maas we fly, watching clouds across the sky. Gerelingsplas will always prove nature never stops to move. Gerelingsplas, Gerelingsplas, Gerelingsplas. Nature returns. The morning slowly fades away as sunlight fills the day. The loch still guides the waters through while nature paints anew. Gerelingsplas will always stand where water shapes the land, a place of peace, a place to see, forever growing naturally.